Hi everyone, in this video I'll explain to you how to send money from PayPal to GCash. First open your GCash and go to profile at bottom right. Here click on my link accounts. But first, you need to make sure that the name of your GCash and PayPal is the same. Okay, next, select PayPal and type in your PayPal email. Click on link, then scroll down and click authorize. Here again, input your PayPal email or mobile number. Click on next and choose between to get a code or input your password. If you want to get a code, click on it and PayPal will send you a code. If you want to input your password, click on it, just input your password, and that's basically it. You can now go to your GCash account, cash in, and choose PayPal and input the amount you want, and that's it.